Welcome to ABC Fruits, kids. Today, we're going to have fun learning about fruits from A to Z. Each fruit is like a new adventure. A is for apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. B is for banana. Bananas are soft and yellow. C is for cherry. Cherries are small and red. D is for dragon fruit. It looks like a dragon's scales. E is for amlica. Amlica is another name for the Indian gooseberry. F is for fig. They are usually purple or green. G is for grapes. Grapes are small and come in green. H is for hawthorn berry. It belongs to the Rosaceae family. I is for ice apple. J is for jackfruit. It is large and spiky. K is for kiwi, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. L is for lychee. M is for mango. Mangoes are juicy and sweet. They are tropical. N is for nance, rich in vitamins A and C. O is for orange, known for tangy flavor. P is for pomegranate, numerous juicy seeds called arrows. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry, sweet and slightly tangy. S is for strawberry, sweet and juicy. T is for tangelo, sweet and tangy flavor.